I am so excited about today's show, y'all, because, and I know there's a lot of, I feel like I know that there's a lot of y'all out there that use olive oil, maybe to drizzle in your pan when you go saute some vegetables, or maybe brush it on some bread for bruschetta. But my knowledge of how to really use olive oils to the full advantage, I don't know. But, y'all, we have started carrying olive oils in our store. We've got 4 and fixing to add a 5th one. And it's thanks to this man right here. His name is Greg. And he and his wife, Shirley, own Divine Olive Oil. Is that right?
Olive Oil Divine.
Olive Oil Divine. So, like I said, Greg, I think a lot of people are like me, that really don't know how to get the most out of olive oil. So the floor is yours, dear. Tell me all about it. Well, let's start with the 5 that we carry in the store. How about that?
That sounds good, because you've got some 5 excellent flavors.
Yes.
They're all right there.
Oh, okay. That 5 is right there.
Well, first let me explain that even though we're called Olive Oil Divine, we have a balsamic vinegar as well. So this is a fig, which is a balsamic vinegar.
Yes.
That's a great option to put over fresh salads, fruits.
I had some the other night over my salad.
Did you lick up all the fig off the bottom of the bowl? Because
I did.
So good.
I love figs.
Oh, fresh
love
fruit.
Figs.
Well, this is made with real figs, so that everything that is in these are the real thing. They're not all artificial.
Okay.
You've got also, I believe, let's see what else you got here. You've got a bourbon balsamic, which is, don't tell anybody it's made with real bourbon.
Okay.
But you'd get sick before you'd feel it. So
and it wouldn't hurt a child.
No, it wouldn't hurt a child at all, but it gives a great. We're going to cook with it here in a minute.
Okay, yay.
We're going to have some fun with it. And you also have, let's see here what you got. You got butter, bacon. Now, these are olive oils.
Butter, olive oil, y'all. Finally, somebody with a bunch of brains brought that olive oil in to meet my butter.
And I'm so proud that you love it. But have you tasted it just by itself?
Yeah.
It tastes like popcorn butter, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like you're at the movie theater.
I mean, it tastes like butter. It tastes like butter.
You can use that anywhere you use regular butter. It makes an amazing cake. Amazing muffins.
No.
Put it in your yogurt. Put it on top of your coffee and let it sit on top. And when you take a sip, it's going to be a buttery, creamy coffee.
I had heard one time about somebody putting butter in their coffee. So that's kind of the same thing, isn't it?
Yeah, be brave.
So you are going to make us Greg's bourbon steak.
I am. I hope you like it.
Well, let's get started on this. I'm ready for you to teach me how to use this. All right. Oh, y'all got different rubs too, don't you?
Oh, we've got a lot of rubs that are handcrafted, blended, preservative-free. Everything that we
roasted garlic
that we offer, Paula, is not going to be carrying preservatives.
Himalayan salt.
Oh, it's extremely healthy for you.
I love it.
Yeah. This is a Sevillano oil, which is a Spanish variety. And
we don't have that one.
You don't, but maybe you will someday. But it's wonderful on its own for salads. It's got amazing flavor. You want to taste it?
Yes, I do. I'm getting out my spoon.
Yeah, let's see here. Okay, you hold still, and I'll come to your spoon.
You can't ask an old person to hold still.
Make it easy for me. Come on, lady. You taste bananas?
I taste something.
Do you taste straw or grass or kind of earthy?
Kind of like, there's a weed out there in the yard. And it's not a weed, it's a piece of grass. And I could go out and show you, but it's got like a thick pod on one end, and I go out there and I chew on that.
Yeah, okay.
It tastes like that.
Kind of pleasant, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why I chew on them.
I used to chew on sassafras when I was a kid. Did you ever do that?
I don't know about no sassafras.
Oh, that's good. You can get the sassafras root and just chew on it all day long.
I don't know about that.
All right.
Ooh, and you are not stingy with that. Would you like a brush?
I was going to say either that or I'm just going to use my hands.
Well, I use my hands, but there you go. You
Thank
may
you, my
use
lady.
my brush. You're welcome, my man.
Let's get this. Now we're going to do both sides because we want to make sure that the seasoning we're about to put on it in a little while sticks to it.
Okay, what's the next step on these steaks? I like that you're using a lot.
They've been lathered up really nice with that beautiful oil. We're gonna put on just one side our Austin Steakhouse rub.
Okay, does that have salt in it?
I believe it does.
Okay, so we'd need to be careful, man.
Yes, it
on
does.
How much salt?
It does. It has sea salt, but no preservatives.
Love sea salt. Yeah, in my seasonings, my line of seasonings, you know, they're all going to contain some salt. So you have to make your adjustments. Ooh, that looks so good.
Now, some of this is going to get lost in the frying.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then, of course, when it's plated, you can scrape off what you want. It's going to leave a little bit of flavor.
Yeah.
We won't do both sides. It'll be too much.
Right.
But,
right.
Yeah, this is one of my favorites. It's really simple. The only other ingredients we got left is your bourbon. Let's find your bourbon balsamic here. Now, we're going to have to go ahead and get these. All
right. I would like a taste of that too, please.
By all means. Can I see your ID, please?
Oh, thank you for asking me for my ID.
Now, this is going to be a little thinner than the oil.
Okay. What do you say when you drink something?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Salute.
I like this one.
The bourbon.
Yes, it's good.
I don't like alcohol, but that's my new favorite. All right, so that's what we're going to sear the steak in.
We better move this before we start a fire. Okay. We got to start this sizzling for a little bit.
Okay.
I'll let you control your stove since you're familiar with it.
Come on. Okay, there we go.
All right, maybe like a low to medium. We want to see it just starting to bubble a little bit. Now, bear in mind, Paula,
how about medium-low?
Medium-low would be good.
This is some of the newest line of my cookware, and this is a cast iron, and I love it.
It does look nice.
I love it. It's anything I want to sear, I do it in that.
We got to make sure that we don't caramelize the balsamic because it does have sugar in it. It's the natural sugar of the grapes. So, are you ready to put these in?
Yes.
Let's get these beautiful looking babies started.
I'm telling you, they look so good.
Now, what doneness are we cooking these two for? For the folks here today.
Do you want me to pour that?
You certainly can. Absolutely. Never let it go to waste.
I'm a won't not.
Absolutely.
Waste not, won't not.
We might even pour a little bit more out of the bottle in there too.
Okay,
that'll just help it stop sticking on the pan.
Excuse me. I was getting the hiccups. Had to stop and get me some water too, Greg. I'm a medium rare girl.
Okay. Medium rare. Oh, you're a girl of my heart.
Good.
That's the way I love it too.
Yes. My husband loves it rare. But lots of times he'll go on to medium rare if I'm going to share a dinner with him. So he's gotten pretty good about eating medium rare. But he said he'd like something that a good vet can fix.
Well, let's see. I cook by temperature, but I understand you cook by your little special method. So
yeah, by touch.
I'm going to put you to the test. And let's see.
Oh my!
Let's see. You tell me when they're done. Otherwise, I'll get my handy dandy little thermometer out.
All right. Well, see now, if I was cooking a steak, I would put that in maybe a fairly dry pan with just a smidgen of olive oil, you know, to brown it. So this is like you're cooking this in a nice bath.
Correct.
Of olive oil. So
and we're cooking it slowly.
Slowly. So we're not going to get the sear that I'm used to getting on one side and then flipping it. So
we can get the sear if you want. Once all this balsamic, see those nice little bubbles in there?
Yes, I love it.
Once they evaporate away, see that's evaporating the liquid that's in the balsamic vinegar. You're going to be left with the solids, which are the sugars.
What now? What did you say? Say that last line.
You're going to be evaporating the liquids. That's what that's doing. That's getting rid of all the natural water and liquid that's in the balsamic. So we're going to be left with the solids, which is going to be the natural sugars.
I am so looking
and
forward
some of the bourbon, and it's going to be like a glaze. It's going to get sticky and
I love
and if you cook it too much, it gets crunchy. Those are looking good, and they're smelling amazing.
Okay, yes. Oh my goodness.
So do you flip your steaks when you cook them?
Just once.
Yeah.
If I'm right, if I'm on the money, I only like to flip them once.
That's a good philosophy.
How about
I
you?
agree. I agree.
You do agree.
But I like what you're doing about letting the juices go up underneath there because you want to start
and
caramelizing
that's what I do.
Now we got to stay on top of this so it doesn't get overly thick and then turn to a hard, sugary.
Well, you see, it's getting thick,
crusty, pull your teeth out mess. It can get to that point, so you have to really stay on top of it. And I will let you flip when you're ready.
Okay. Well, I want to. It looks like it's done. Oh my
yeah,
goodness.
there you go. Now
Look at that.
You wanted something seared?
Look at that caramel, y'all.
Let's pour some of this over these beers.
Okay.
Have you got a heating pad? Oh, there we go. Yes. Let's see here.
Yeah. Shut up, Greg.
Who doesn't love a good steak? My dear.
I don't know. I don't know who doesn't. All right, let's see. Where do you want to cut?
Well, I would say you're probably going to want that end because this end has gotten a little cooked a little more.
I love this part of a ribeye right here. And I can't remember what that's called. The
best part.
To me, it's the best part. All right.
Oh, look at that. That's beautiful on the inside.
Are you going to cut some too?
I am.
You're going to cut down here where you get some kind of pink?
I'm going to do right here in the middle. I like the good meaty part right
Oh, look at that. Let me look at that, Greg.
Medium rare. Perfect. Gonna be hot. I'm gonna cut mine a little smaller. My eyes are bigger than my. Wonderful.
So good.
Take you a little taste of the caramelized part there.
Okay, I wanted that part right there.
By all means. You want me to cut you some more?
This is the way I'll be cooking steaks from now on if we're having them cooked in the house.
You notice how juicy they are? Of course, a good cut makes all the difference as well.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right.
You do these with a filet. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, holy camole.
Yeah.
So these are the two olive oils that we used.
Sevillano, extra virgin olive oil.
To marinate it in.
Well, that gets it prepared for the seasoning. Add some flavor, and then it also assists in the frying. Then we sprinkled our Austin Steakhouse rub generously on top. And then our bourbon balsamic sizzling pan fry.
It's
masterpiece.
So good, y'all. That is a perfect medium rare. Bon appetit, Greg.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. It was wonderful to be with you.
Oh, my pleasure.
And I'm so happy to learn more about these olive oils that are now labeled Paula Deen and in our store on some of my favorites. And I look forward to more. Well, I love the blood orange. Now, we don't have that one, do we?
Not yet.
Okay, I love the blood orange, y'all. I use that on my salads. Love and best dishes, y'all. Check him out. Divine olive oil. Olive oil divine.
Olive oil divine.com.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.